us understand about our white label offering and the pricing. Our product has multiple sections or multiple features. Please go through the quick overview video to understand about each in detail. Just one very important aspect that I want to explain before going to the pricing of white label is during the bot flow journey, if you utilize any external app or external API, or during the automations creation, if you use any external app or external API, we call these as external actions, and these are charged add-on with us. Now let us go through the pricing for the white labeling. In our case, we have a special pricing specifically for existing SMS companies or digital marketing agencies, or if you have a good establishment or a good business, then and only then we can offer you the starter plan for rupees 0 per month, and it includes 25 users. And if you're starting a new business altogether, then you need to start with growth, scale, or enterprise plan. Now what these 25 users will be able to do is connect unlimited WhatsApp channels, import contacts, filter contacts, send bulk messages, use the inbox, also create chatbots and automations, and it will be do it yourself. So you or your customers can refer to our help documentation and create bots. Please note, in any bot or automation, external actions or app is not included. You can also utilize the inbox, but team members are not included, those are charged. So each user account will get access to the bot builder, to the inbox, to the CRM, and the automations builder also will get access to WhatsApp native e-commerce and WhatsApp native flows as well as chat widgets. Except that we have multiple more features like appointment booking ecosystem, reward points, and dynamic experiences. Those are charged based on usage. With this, if you or your customer is not able to create chatbot, then we offer a solution wherein we will create the chatbot for a charge that varies on the use case. While our help documentation is very robust, you can go through each aspect of the platform via it, but still if you or your customer needs dedicated training, it is charged on hourly basis. We also have a limited period lifetime offering. I'm not going to the pricing of that right now because the lifetime one-time payment plan for the white label with certain sub accounts might end while you watch this video. So summarizing again, each user account gets access to CRM, inbox, bot builder, automations builder, e-commerce, WhatsApp native flows, and you get 25 users in the 0 rupees plan, 50 users in the 5,000 rupees plan, and you can also check the USD pricing here. Now using our ecosystem, you can start your own WhatsApp and omni-channel communications platform. We also integrate with Facebook, Instagram, and multiple other channels, and those are charged as add-ons. Thank you.